There is a very powerful BMW M5 in this showroom, but before we check out that car, let us see what we have here. We have this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS 400D, powered by a 3-liter inline 6 diesel that gives you roughly around 330 to 380 horsepower and around 600 Newton meters of torque. Next to it is a Range Rover Defender. This is a Range Rover Defender 110. It's a beautiful unit. There are two of them. We have the pearl white and there is another jungle green that I had shown you guys some times back. There are also several other Mercedes-Benz on this side. This is a beautiful unit. I think this is a large size family SUV. This probably, it might be a 130, but yeah, it is a nice unit. 7-seater Land Rover Defender. Full LED headlights. It has some amazing fog lights. Also large alloys, but these are not the high-end alloys. But the car looks good. You have a Defender finishing over there. White interior. You have these ladders for you to access the top side. And this is what you get at the back. Beautiful taillights over there. They're saying that this is a Defender First Edition. You also have a spare tire at the back. Your towing hook over there. And of course, you have some additional recovery hooks on this side. So these are cars that will easily cost you around 16-17 million shillings in the Kenyan market. Alright, so if you want full-size SUVs, they're available here. We've talked about the GLS. The GLS also is an amazing unit. You have these beautiful headlights from Mercedes-Benz. The new grille, it's a bit large. We said this one has a 3-liter inline 6 diesel with some massive Mercedes-Benz alloys, perforated brake discs over there, large tires, 21 inches, air suspensions with the double wishbone suspension system. The backside looks good. You have black interior, which is brilliant. I also showed you a few days ago a black one. This is grey, and this is what you get at the back. It's a GLS 400D 4MATIC, so you get a 4-wheel drive system. So you can actually adjust the suspensions of the car depending on where you're driving it. The asking price is around somewhere between 14, 15, 16 million shillings. There's this unit here. This is a massive Range Rover. This is an SVR. It's a performance variant of the Range Rover Sport. This one is brutal in terms of power. It is powered by a 5-liter supercharged V8. That sounds absolutely amazing. Once you switch on this car, everybody will turn to confirm what is happening. Full LED headlights with daytime running lights over there. Large air intakes with carbon fiber finishing on the sides. Of course, it is an SVR, so you're being reminded that this is an SVR. You also have carbon fiber finishing on the bonnet over here. Air intakes also on this side, at least to allow the hot air to move out of the engine bay. You also have large 22-inch tires, large alloys here, Land Rover brake calipers, solid brake discs over there. You also get air suspensions to raise the height of the car. Carbon finishing on the sides. I think the roof also has carbon fiber, and you get black and white leather interior. The backside is amazing. You get the typical Range Rover SVR design. You have these beautiful taillights over here, some additional carbon fiber finishing, Range Rover writing over here, and of course you're being reminded that this is an SVR. LED brake lights on the top side, on the spoiler right there, as you can see. And then also at the back you have 4 exhausts, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, a number of sensors for additional safety. And for a car like this, you would expect it to be fully spec'd. The top side is black, while the rest of the body is pearl white. Massive alloys also at the back, low profile tires, and I think these are performance tires also, because this is a performance SUV. The asking price for this car is around 14 million shillings, but depending on what it is, how good it is, and what year it is. Another unit that we have here is a GLE 400D. It has the same engine size as the GLS. You have a 3-liter inline 6 turbo diesel, which is also 4MATIC, so you get a full-time 4-wheel drive. Beautiful taillights over here. Some smaller compact alloys, large continental tires, which is good. This is good for comfort. The interior also is black, just like the GLS, and also you have same size tires, AMG alloys over there, Mercedes-Benz brake calipers, perforated brake disc or vented brake discs, double H1 suspension system with air suspensions. So the car is pretty amazing. This is what you get on the front. You have the typical GLE look on the front because this is the SUV version of the coupe. Multi-beam LED headlights with daytime running lights. You have these diamond cuts on the grille, which looks good, and some bit of chrome here and there, and a number of sensors for added safety. The asking price for this car is somewhere around 15 to 16 million shillings also. If you want full luxury from Japan, we have this Lexus LX 570. It is a Lexus LX 600. Remember, we have the LX 700H coming out in a few days. Right now, it will always come as a full hybrid 700H. Full LED projector headlights. So this is a full-size SUV. Yeah, if you have the box, because the price tag is a bit heavy. The asking price for this is around 35 million shillings, but I think it's worth it for a Lexus like this. Absolute comfort. You won't feel the damage that this car will do to your pockets. Full projector headlights, turn signals over here, which acts as daytime running lights. Additional projector headlights over there, headlamp washers, large air intakes on the side, and as you can see here, you have additional fog lights. And then of course you have this beautiful grille here with a lot of chrome finishing, a number of sensors, front facing camera, and in other words, this is a fully spec'd SUV. You have your Goodyear tires, large alloys. Look at the size of these alloys. They are actually very, very large. I think these are 22 inches. Yeah, so this can take you anywhere. They are absolutely amazing, and I think they are too large. Solid brake discs over there. In terms of suspension, you have adaptive suspension system, which is pretty good. Double wishbone for absolute luxury. The side steps are good. You have brown leather interior, LED turn signals on the side mirrors, cameras on the sides, keyless entry, chrome finishing over here. I said maroon finishing on the interior. It's quite large, and from the back you get the typical look for the Lexus. Spoiler back there, wiper for the back side, full LED taillights, LX 600 badging there, which is amazing. So if you have 35 million shillings lying somewhere, you can try out this large SUV. There are performance sedan right there, but let me show you these other cars before we get back to the M5. This is a Mercedes-Benz C200. It's a 2019 model. This one goes for around 4.3 million shillings. It has a 1.5 liter turbo with an EQ boost, which kind of improves on the performance of the vehicle. The interior is black and brown, which is good. So this one you get a C220D diesel, so you get a 2 liter turbo diesel. I thought it's a petrol. The petrol one will come with an EQ boost, so it is an amazing unit. Same price. The multi-spoke alloys from Mercedes-Benz on that side. The interior is absolutely amazing with a sunroof. Mercedes-Benz A180 is amazing also. This one goes for around 2.8 million shillings. This one has brick red leather interior. It's an amazing unit. The color is a bit off. It's a I don't know which color is this. Is it olive green or which shade of green is this? But it is an amazing unit. Let us continue. We have an Audi A5 sedan. It's a TFSI, so you get a 2 liter petrol. I love the alloys that are available here with low profile tires. The interior is good, full leather, no sunroof on this car though. Chrome finishing all over. The front looks amazing. You get 19-inch tires, 19-inch alloys, and the front is amazing. Look at this. The car is pretty good. The asking price for this car is around 6.3 million shillings in the Kenyan market. Without forgetting the Toyota Land Cruiser, it is also available here. It shares the same platform as a Lexus LX 600, same engine size, 3.5 liter, 3.3 liter, depending on whether it's a diesel or petrol. I love the front. It looks amazing. It's a bit large, but the Lexus looks absolutely a mammoth of a car. Triple projector headlight, daytime running lights over there, air intake, headlamp washers, a number of sensors, LED fog lights right there, and of course you have this typical grille for the Toyota Land Cruiser with Modelista body kit, a number of sensors, and of course, as you can see, the car is a bit wide because why not? These are full size family SUV. Unlike the Lexus, here you have 20-inch alloys, 20-inch tires, double wishbone suspension there with coil and springs, which has been tuned to ensure that you get maximum comfort. The interior is beige, and from the side this is what you get. You have a mammoth of an SUV. Chrome finishing all over, roof rails on the top side, large Dunlop tires over there, side steps are good. This part also looks amazing. From the back, this is what you get. Beautiful design. The spoilers are there, LED taillights. It is a ZX, so you get all the optional features available. A large rear bumper and an exhaust here. You have an extra tips on the exhaust. So this car would cost you around 19 to 22 million shillings depending on the trim level. Another beautiful SUV that we have here is an Audi Q8. Audi Q8 is a large SUV, family size. It's a 7-seater and it's quite large. It has a 3-liter inline 6 petrol engine. Look at this, the Audi rings. It is a quattro right there, triple LEDs, daytime running lights over there, additional projector headlights, massive grille over here, massive air intakes on this side, some large alloys also. You get almost the same size tire, 20-inch tires, 20-inch alloys, just like in the Land Cruiser. And from the side you can tell that this car is actually big. Look at this. This is an Audi full-size SUV. Cameras on the side mirrors, turn signals over there, keyless entry, black leather interior with a large infotainment system that sounds absolutely amazing. The sound system here is fully spec'd, the top quality infotainment system. This car goes for 12 million shillings. It is an Audi Q8. If you want a large SUV like this, you can try it out. It is a quattro, which means you get 4-wheel drive. Another massive SUV that is available here is this BMW X7. It's an X-Drive 35D. So you get a 3-liter inline 6 turbo diesel. Large as you like. It is the chief competitor to the GLS. Look at this, full LED taillights. It's an X-Drive, you get 4-wheel drive. BMW, of course. Everything else looks amazing. The rear bumper is large. You also get some large alloys over here, double spoke alloys from Michelin, or tires from Michelin. You also have the alloy solid brake discs over there, 21 inches in size. Side skirts on the car, keyless entry, comfortable interior, premium quality with panoramic sunroof. And the front side looks like this. This is what you get. It's a beautiful SUV. Since I'm a BMW lover, this is what we get. Look at this, full LED headlights with laser headlights, which means you can see far. Yeah, so it is what it is. Large grille that kind of opens up when you're speeding. This part will open up to ensure that you get good air entry into the engine. And of course you have a front facing camera over there, large bumper, and of course you can raise the suspensions. So the asking price for this car is around from 14 million shillings. That is, there's a Land Rover Defender over here. We did a review of this car. There's a petrol and there's a diesel. Asking price is around 15 million shillings. If you need a Defender, you can try this. On this side there's a Porsche Cayenne GTS. Porsche Cayenne GTS, an amazing unit, fast as you like, 3-liter inline 6 turbo. I love the alloys in a Porsche brake calipers over there, and the interior looks good, and also the back looks amazing. So it's a Porsche Cayenne GTS. Another Lexus is located here. We've talked about Lexus. We have black Lexus and this white Lexus LX 600. The prices are the ones that I've told you, around 35 million shillings. There's another Porsche Cayenne over there, and yeah, let's go and check out the BMW M5. Now we are here to take a look at this beast. This is a BMW M5, and of course, as you can see here, it has the M badging over there. On the rear side, you have carbon fiber finishing on the exhaust, so it's a quad exhaust, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, with some diffusers over here. It is a massive SUV, sedan. Look at this, look at how large it is. This is a performance or a track rated sedan with absolute comfort. Look at this, pilot sports tires, machine cut alloys, double spoke, vented brake discs at the back with some large brake calipers over there. So this car is actually tuned for performance. It comes with a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 that gives you in the note of 600 horsepower and around 750 newton meters of torque. We have these full LED headlights, which are actually brilliant. They look actually very good. And of course you have this air intakes here to ensure that the engine breathes well. And of course also you have a large grille on the front, and you're being reminded that it is an M5. So if you're looking for an M5 from BMW, you can try this one here. It's a large sedan. Look at this, performance rated sedan, massive as you like, 4.4 liter. The asking price, I'm not sure about it, somewhere from 12 million. And then of course we can finish with this BMW 523i. It's a large SUV, also same headlights as the ones that you get in the M5. Fog lights over there. In the M5 there are no fog lights. Multi-spoke alloys over there. The interior looks good, and it's kind of long. It's almost the same size as the M5. Look at this. So this car go for around 6.8 million shillings, which is pretty good. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because we do this on a daily basis. I'll see you in the next one, guys, and thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel.